anything can happen when you have one party who does not want to participate. Now, if it is a party who refuses to participate, a tribunal will usually issue what we call preemptory orders. So, give you an example, you call for procedural hearing and the claimants turn up and the respondents do not. It may be that the tribunal adjourn that procedural hearing and have it on a call for it to be reconvened on a certain day and issue directions to the respondent to say, you must turn up. We note that you've already not turned up in the first procedural hearing. Here is a further warning. And it may be 2, perhaps even 3 times, depending on the situation. And the preemptory order is basically, if you do not turn up the next time, then we will proceed without you. That can happen also with oral hearings.
Party autonomy, as you can see from the word itself, is the freedom of the parties to dictate the procedures that are to be followed in international arbitration. While the rules of many arbitral institutions and sometimes national laws of certain jurisdictions provide a general framework of how an arbitration is to be run, the specific details of the procedures have to be agreed by the parties, and the parties' agreement dictates the actual conduct of the arbitration. The initial agreement of the parties to take their dispute to arbitration and not the litigation or other alternative dispute resolution forms is in itself a manifestation of party autonomy. But party autonomy goes way beyond that.
Now, adjudication is a form of dispute resolution method where an independent adjudicator resolves the disputes by providing a determination or a decision. Now, that is very different from a settlement agreement that you enter into in a mediation, or an award that is made in an arbitration, or a judgment that is passed in court, right? And effectively, the adjudication is a provisional, impartial assessment based on the parties' submissions and evidence that they provide. And at the end of the day, it may not alter the final contractual positions of the parties. It will be essentially about an issue that they raise.